How you doing, guys? This is Big J bringing you another video. Today I'm going to show you how to access the deep web. Before we start this video, I do want to say I am not responsible for anything that happens to your phone, or if anything that happens to you if you do decide to follow my steps, which you should not. Again, this video is for entertainment purpose only, so you should not follow my steps. All right, so here we go. What you want to do first is download these two apps called OrbBot and OrbWeb. You can find them on the Play Store for free. And what they really are is OrbBot, it's a proxy that masks your IP address. What does that mean? Well, masking your IP address is every phone has an IP address every time you connect to the internet. Well, what OrbBot does is mask your IP address to appear another IP address from around another part of the world. So you're pretty much browsing in a safer mode if you are going to use this regular internet that came with the phone. So the best thing about these two apps is if you download any other app, let's say YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, pretty much any app, every time you're downloading, you're giving them permission to, let me show you real quick. Let me show you YouTube. That you're giving them the permissions to your accounts, your storage, your hardware controls, your system tools, your development tools, your account. And there's a whole lot of stuff. Not necessarily they do that to you, but if they can, they really can do it. So with these apps, they don't access anything. So that's a really good thing. Let me show you over here. The only thing that they do is, of course, connect full network access, because you have to connect to the internet. And they do. It does run on startup. If you do start your phone, restart your phone, turn off your phone, and turn it back on, it does start by itself. Only OrbBot does. Okay, so once you download them, you want to start OrbBot first. This little guy with the onion head is going to appear. What you want to do is long press to start. It's going to turn yellow. Now you have to wait until it turns green. So that means it's fully connected. All right, so now what you want to do after it's connected, it's green, you want to go ahead and click on check browser, which that will take you to the to this other application, the OrbWeb. So you want to go and click on check browser. And now it's going to tell you that congratulations, this browser is configured to use Tor. You are not connected to the deep web yet. Right now, you're just browsing in a safer mode. So now what you want to do is we're going to type something. You can either click it if you don't have physical buttons. If you do have physical buttons, you're going to click on go. All right, so you want to go ahead and delete this. And go to this, do not go to this address. Again, it's for entertainment purpose only. When you go to the address, it's gonna take you to a hidden wiki page, which we're gonna go to it right now. And again, this browser is a little bit slow because it's the deep web, but you are browsing safer. So we are looking for the hidden wiki, of course. So we go ahead and click that. And now we're in a Wikipedia page of deep web links, which pretty much at 90% of all this content, it is illegal. So if you do happen to follow these steps, which you're not, watch what you're clicking on and watch what you're doing over here. Don't buy anything, and if you do, I've never bought anything before. I'm just pretty much curious about everything over here, and there is some bad stuff. So please watch what you click on if you do try to follow my steps, which you should not, because again, this is for entertainment purpose only. Do not, and if you do follow, do not give any personal information to anybody. Pretty much you can just wander around over here. It has a lot of stuff from buying cheap phones, which I do not recommend to do that. But if you want to take a risk, go right ahead and do it. I'm not going to click on anything of this because that would be illegal, and I do not do illegal stuff. And there's you can browse from a lot of stuff. And again, if you go to these, you're gonna see that every time the address websites is not .com, it actually uses .onion, which on the deep web it doesn't use .com, it uses .onion. So if you're on the .onions, that means you're in the deep web. Usually you can find some sick stuff in here. So I mean, that's pretty much it. I mean, there's nasty stuff in there, and there's actually good stuff that you can learn from. But again, good luck browsing. If you do decide to follow my steps, which you shouldn't. And good luck. If you have any questions, please go ahead and ask. I'm going to try my best to answer them. Please don't ask me illegal questions because, of course, I would not answer. If you do want to see me record something else, please share what you want me to record. If you want me to do something else, please go ahead and ask for it. I'm going to try my best to respond to every single one of you guys. So thank you very much, and have a good day.